Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Verse 29. A true yogi observes me in all beings, and also sees every being in me. Indeed, the self-realized man sees me everywhere.
Yes. Now, a true yogi observes me in all beings. How you can see, they interpret that all beings are Krishna. So therefore there is no use of worshipping Krishna separately. They take therefore to the humanitarian activities. They say this is better. Why Krishna shall be worshipped? Krishna says that one should see in every being Krishna. So let us serve. But they do not know the techniques. That requires training under bona fide spiritual masters. This, a true yogi observes me in all beings. A true yogi, devotee, just like these devotees are going to preach Krishna consciousness outside. Why? They see Krishna in all beings. How? Because they see that all beings are part and parcel of Krishna. They are under forgetfulness of Krishna. So, let us awake them to Krishna consciousness. A devotee sees others who is not in Krishna consciousness. Just like sometimes some missionary activities are there to give education to the uneducated community. Why? Because they see they are human beings. They should be educated. They should know the value of life. That is their sympathy. Here also the same thing, that everyone should know that he is part and parcel of Krishna. Forgetting this consciousness is suffering. That is to see Krishna in everything. Not that everything has become Krishna. Don't see like that, then you will be mistaken. Every being is just like if I see somebody that this boy is the son of such and such gentleman. That means I see such and such gentleman in this boy. Is it clear? If I see every living being is son of God or Krishna, then that means I see God in everything. Is there any difficulty to understand?
Is this an association or is this a vision?
No, this is a fact. It is not an association or vision, this is a fact. When you see a cat, when you see a dog, you see in Krishna in him. Why? You know that here is a cat, living being. He, by his deeds, past deed, he has got this body, cat, forgetfulness. So, let me help this cat, give it some Krishna prasadam, so that in someday he will come to Krishna consciousness. This is to see in him Krishna. Not that, here is Krishna, let me embrace this guy. This is nonsense. Here is a tiger, here is Krishna, come on, please eat me. This is asking. You should take sympathy with every living being that he is part and parcel of Krishna. Vanchakalpatarvascha kripasindubhayavacha. Not that he shall embrace him. Come on, Krishna. So, the true yogi observes me in all beings. This is the seeing. Why you are welcoming these children? Because he is part and parcel of Krishna. We are giving them chance to, as much as possible, to take part in the kirtan, to taste the prasadam. That child who comes, imitates like this, don't think that it is going in vain. Something done in Krishna consciousness, is knowing or not knowing, it will have its effect. These children who are bowing down or trying to vibrate Krishna or clap, these things are being accumulated in bank account of Krishna consciousness. Just like if the child touches this fire, it will act. It will not excuse the child that, he is child, he does not know. The fire will act. Similarly, if Krishna is the Supreme Spirit, a child who may take part in it, Krishna will act. He may know it or do not know. It doesn't matter. Because Krishna is there. So it is so nice. Therefore, every living being should be given chance. These boys are inviting outsiders, come on, this love feast. What is the idea? The idea is let them come. Take little prasadam and it will act someday in Krishna consciousness. It will act. So that is their propaganda. They are seeing everyone. Krishna, they are seeing Krishna in everyone, in that way. Not that everyone is Krishna. Don't make this mistake. Krishna is all pervading. Why in this human being? He is there in the atom also. Annantarastham paramanu chayantarastham. You'll find in the Brahma Sangha. Paramanu means atom. So he is there within atom also. Why not every living being? You should have that knowledge. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna